guys, your girl is back with another unboxing video, and this time around I'm going to be unboxing my famous afro wig. It is 12-inch 210 density. There's just so much you can do with this wig. Like, it was out of stock and now it is back. It comes like this, and it is a fringe wig. As you can see, I'm just going to wear this wig to demonstrate to you how the various things you can do with this wig. It looks something like this. So yeah, normally this is how you wear it. It's just so easy. You don't have to spend time installing, if you want a fringe, this is how you can do it. Normally when you have a new wig, you can wash it with conditioner, a little bit of shampoo, you dry it, and it really improves the quality and the texture. So I had one of my clients on Saturday. I was doing her makeup and she told me that the reason I don't like fringe wigs is because I don't have a forehead. Girl, you don't need a forehead to wear a fringe wig. I have no forehead. Look at my forehead is as flat as a yam. Yeah, I don't know if a yam's forehead is flat, but whatever. So you can set the fringe to the side like this. Just make it a side wig. Can you see that? There's just so much you can do with this wig. And if you like volume like I do, I'm a queen of volume. You comb it out. Like, this is 100% human hair. Let me just make that clear right now. This is 100% human hair. If you want, you can comb it out. If you don't like volume, with a little bit of water bottle, my hair water bottle is not around, if you spray it, it brings back the curls, especially if you wash it with your shampoo and then you condition it and then you dry it and blow dry it. Oh my god, you'll be amazed by the quality of this hair. So you can comb it out if you want it to be voluminous like me. If you don't like the fringe, you can always do this like this, and then you can just pin it by the side. Like, you can do so many things with this hair. You can bring it back to the center. You can bring it back to the center like this and really just like, pull it backwards. It's an easy, very easy hairstyle. You guys, you don't need to spend hours trying to install it. It's human hair. It's natural looking. You can make it light. You can make it thick. And this hair ships all over the world. So if you're a human hair, if you're a kinky hair lover, if you're an afro wig lover, this hair ships all over the world. If you want 14-inch, it's available. 12-inch, 10-inch. If you want it more afro-like, it is so much available. Before, I used to work out live on TikTok and I was using this afro wig. I actually made that myself, but now I no longer have time to make that wig. And a lot of people are asking me, where did you get your wig from? And I was telling them it is a customized made wig. Now I don't have to customize because I found a vendor who could customize it to my liking, the way I like it, and I am so much loving it. If you're interested in this wig, please leave a comment down below, and you can tell me the color you want. Okay, I'm just going to show you another color right now. So here is the blonde color, same, but I think this one is like 10-inch. So here's the blonde color, and if you don't like volume like I do, it's going to be 150 density or 180 density. So guys, you can send me an email on viannasbeauty02@gmail.com, or you can message me on Instagram at Vianna_beauty. I also have a makeup TikTok page. You can send me a message there as well. And then I'm located in Tralee in Ireland, but this hair ships across US, UK, wherever you are, as long as you can pay the shipping, because damn, things are so expensive now. But this hair is 100% and it's so affordable. I love you guys so much. I'll be doing this unboxing because I'm about to open a shop. Yay! And I'll be selling all this stuff right there. Come around if you're in Tralee. Let us gossip, let us have so much fun. And I'm going to see you in my next video. Hopefully, now that I have more time on my plate, I should be making more of such unboxing videos and just like, oh, come on, look at that. This is butter. This is butter. I like so much volume, so I'm just going to pop that out some more. And the good thing is that it has less shredding. It has so less, look at that, it has less shredding. I'm telling you guys, you don't want to miss the opportunity of having this amazing human hair wig. Look at that. Oh, can you feel that, baby? Us Afro lovers, we love kinky Afro hair. So if this is your first time on my page and you like my energy, why don't you hit on the follow button and follow for more content like this? Because I know I've not been serious on my TikTok, but I promise you, maybe from next month, I'm actually not going to be serious yet. But if you follow me, we're going to have lots of fun. We're going to hang around and we'll have anything that's beauty related. I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.